The most effective passive fire protection design begins with the skeleton of the building, its load-bearing structure. This helps not only to preserve the building, but also to protect its occupants. Fire can subject structures to extreme temperatures, which means even materials such as steel or concrete need help to prevent them collapsing. Achieving this requires not only the right products, but also specialist expertise to design the most effective passive fire protection plan for each and every building. An important consideration in this design must be adapting to the different way materials react when exposed to fire. Steel starts to deform and lose its structural strength at about 550 degrees Celsius. We call this the critical steel temperature. This means that protection is needed to prevent a steel building from collapsing before people can escape and the fire services can tackle the fire. Using Promat boards to protect steel beams and columns increases their fire resistance. Concrete reacts very differently to steel, in part due to its inherent moisture, which will evaporate at around 100 degrees Celsius. This will cause severe damage, known as spalling, which leaves the steel rebar directly exposed to fire. This can eventually lead to a sudden collapse of the structural element. To protect this from happening, concrete load-bearing structures can be protected with Promat's fire-resistant board. Unlike steel and concrete, timber is a combustible material that needs a well-designed method of protection. Cladding it with Promat boards will delay or even prevent the charring, improving its fire resistance and preserving the structural integrity. The growing popularity of electric vehicles comes with risks for fire protection. Recent studies have shown that the battery fires involving electric or hybrid cars are more severe and thereby more harmful to the load-bearing structure. Alongside posing a risk to the stability of the entire building, electric and hybrid vehicle fires can also produce a large volume of toxic smoke and gases. It is therefore crucial to ensure structural stability for as long as possible so that emergency services and fire brigades can evacuate people from the building safely and can combat the fire. To achieve this, Promat fire-resistant boards can be fitted above electric charging zones to protect the ceiling. Boards can also be used to protect critical load-bearing columns and beams. Our mission at Promat is to preserve and protect, using our expertise to design and install fully tested and certified passive fire protection systems, preserving valuable buildings and their contents, and protecting the people who use them.